Updating your payment method on Thinkific is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and secure. Step 1. Log into your Thinkific account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the profile drop-down menu, typically represented by your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled payment information or billing. Click on this option to view your current payment methods and billing details. Step 4. Update your payment method. In the payment information section, you will see options to add a new payment method or edit existing ones. Enter the new payment details such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address, then save the changes. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your payment method, check for a confirmation message or email from Thinkific. This will ensure that your new payment information has been successfully saved and is now active. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on Thinkific. Keeping your payment information up to date helps ensure uninterrupted access to your courses and services.